Understanding green smoothies, a refreshing topic for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a popular and health-conscious phrase that you might have heard, green smoothies. Let's dive in and understand not only what it means but also how it fits into everyday English conversations. Green smoothies are a type of smoothie made primarily from green vegetables. They often include ingredients like spinach, kale, collard greens, and sometimes fruits like bananas or apples to add sweetness. The idea behind green smoothies is to provide a nutrient-rich, easy-to-digest meal or snack. They have become popular as a healthy lifestyle choice, especially among those looking to increase their intake of vegetables. The concept of green smoothies started gaining popularity in the early 2000s. Health enthusiasts and nutritionists promoted them as a simple way to consume more greens and fruits. Over time, they became a staple in health cafes and home kitchens worldwide. Today, green smoothies are a symbol of a healthy, conscious diet and are often associated with fitness and well-being. In English-speaking countries, green smoothies are often mentioned in discussions about health, diet, and lifestyle choices. You might hear phrases like, "I've started drinking green smoothies for breakfast," or "Green smoothies are a great way to detox." They're also common in conversations about recipes, cooking tips, and dietary preferences. Green smoothies aren't just a drink. They're a part of a broader cultural movement towards healthier living. They symbolize a shift in how people view food and nutrition, emphasizing the importance of natural and whole foods. This cultural aspect is essential to understand, especially in contexts where food choices reflect personal values and lifestyle. We hope this video has given you a refreshing insight into the world of green smoothies. Understanding such phrases not only enhances your English vocabulary but also gives you a glimpse into different aspects of English-speaking cultures. Keep exploring and enjoying the journey of learning English. See you in the next video.